What up, people? Tmaxxric here. Been a while since I made a video. Shouts out to all my subscribers. Got a special surprise video here. A little bit of a early birthday present to myself. But I am driving, so I'm gonna cut this video short. Welcome to the introduction. Alright, want to let a little bit of the cat out of the bag. We're taking the Kia to Carvana in Louisville, Kentucky. It's June 17th. While I was on my last trip of a 3-week spread, I said, you know what? I'm going to do this. So I bought me a new car. Traded in the Kia. The Kia's nice, don't get me wrong. I love it. It's the GT line model Kia. It's a 2020. I ain't got but 34,058 on the miles, 34,000 miles. So they offer me a good chunk of change for it as a trade-in. So I took the trade-in offer and I put a little cash down on a Camaro Super Sport Convertible. Red with the white racing stripes. So I'll cut this short. Alright, we're going to pick it up this morning and we're going to do the Carvana Vending Machine. And we're going to film it. Woo woo! I can't wait to see it. Later. Well, there she is, folks. Trading her in. She's been good to me. I even got the original sticker and stuff. Yeah. Let's go get rid of it, man. Let's go get our car. I'm at Carvana in Louisville, Kentucky. And I'm gonna go for the vending machine experience. Figured I'd get a look-see, man. I don't see my car up there, but it may be on the back side. I don't know. It's supposed to be in the vending machine somewhere. I don't actually see it, so I'm a little bit nervous. Yeah, it better be here. I'm gonna have a conniption fit. Yeah, I don't see it, man. Let's go in and find out what's going on, though, shall we? Alright, folks, here we are. Oh, God. Oh, God. Look at that beauty. Look at that beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. I wonder whose that is. I'm about to find out. I don't know. Is that my Yukon right there? That's it. It's one of these. I don't know where my car is. Maybe it's that one way up top. I don't know. Oh my God, look at that beautiful, gorgeous car. Wow. This is where you put the coin in, people. This is where you put the coin in. I'm gonna do it. This is a bucket list thing, by the way, people. A bucket list. I have said I will buy a car from Carvana and do the vending machine, and you know, thank you. I don't know where it's going, but it's going. Look That is the coolest thing, man. It's putting a platform up. So that's how it brings the cars. Sorry for the reflection. This is cool. So you gotta take one of these coins. There's my temporary plate, people. Here comes my guy.
Did you go through where it told you to actually show up on a certain day and time? No. Okay.
My guy's done.
Okay.
Alright, I got my coin, people. I'm gonna set this one down, brother. I do a little YouTube thing. I got my coin, folks. Here we go. There she goes. Oh boy. Oh, he's got her. God. I can't believe it. That's my baby. My absolute dream car. Oh, God. She's gorgeous. There she is. Can I go out here?
Yeah, just give us 1 second because he's gonna go over there. Bring your car in real quick.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll be able to get him on.
Absolutely.
I recommend staying in the AC. Stay in here where it's cool. It's alright.
Heck yeah, man.
Toasty out there.
Yes, it is.
Alright. If y'all are ready, you drop this one right on there.
Mother lucky people. Well, there she is, folks. SS Camaro Convertible. Been a dealer car. Never been wrecked, never been hardly drove. It's only got 10 grand on it. Tires even look new. It is gorgeous. got some cleanup to do. You know, there was a sticker right there. We got some paint scratches and stuff. I mean, little dirt pieces, but it's clean now. It's very clean. Top is beautiful. Got all the boots and whatnot. I don't know what that is. Probably window. But there she is. I'd say that's a pretty good trade. Oh, Victory Red, white racings. Oh, we gotta check out that motor. We gotta check out that motor for sure. I don't know how to open it. Oh, yes, 6-speed manual Hurst short throw shifter. Oh, look at this beautiful piece of machinery. Brembo 4-piston brakes. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. This car is brand new. Look how gorgeous she is. Look at how gorgeous. Ain't a drop of oil. Nothing. Purring like a kitten, boy. Oh, I'm speechless, folks. I'm speechless. Carvana treated me so right. They gave me the deal I needed. If you want a nice car, man, go check out the Carvana, man. Let's get this thing on the road, man. Let's see what she can do. We might put the top down. I think we're gonna have to put the top down. Let's check that out now. Oh man, she is beautiful. That paint feels like a baby's booty. So smooth. Oh, missing the valve cap, but you know, what's up? What else is new? Oh, let's figure it out. There's a heads-up display. Look at that. Let's see if you can see it. The heads-up display right there. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it on the windshield. Isn't that cool? I love it. Anyway. Got all your top stuff here. Oh, I don't know, man. The AC feeling nice though, man. I ain't even playing with you. We might put the top down later. I just want to get home, man. And I need to figure out how to get my phone on the Bluetooth right quick. So we'll make a pause for the calls. And then I'll pick up when I get to the house. Peace. Yep. So I needed to come out here and make a, oh, look at that, new addition to the family. Needed to come out here and make a sign-off video for y'all with a new Camaro. I got so distracted with it and I forgot to take a video of it when I got home, and I've been so distracted and all, you know, mowing my yard and stuff. Things just got out of hand. I forgot about it, man. So I owe y'all an apology. Thanks to all my subscribers. And it's been raining like crazy up here. All of a sudden we had a thunderstorm. Now the sun is out, you know. But I'm going to show y'all what I did. She ain't out here, right? I done put her in the shop because I'm about to go on a trip. So there she is. I didn't take a video of the top down. We all seen convertibles and this and that and the other, but I got her in here for the time being, folks. Nice and protected, away from the elements. It's where she deserved to be. Like I said, just to clear it up earlier in the video, I said she got 10 grand on her. I don't want people to think that was how much I paid for it. No. She has just less than 11,000 miles, original miles. It's 10,000. It was 10,718 when I bought it. All legit. It was a dealer car for X amount of years, and then it went to another dealership, the second dealership. I have the Carfax report that shows all this. So technically, I am the sole first owner of this vehicle outside of a dealership. Yeah, there you go. That's the history of it. Check it out, man. Anyways, we'll see y'all later, man. Peace out, man. We're gonna let y'all go this time, but that's where the Camaro at, chilling in the shop. Let me shut this door. Going on a trip, going back to Seattle. We'll holler at y'all, folks. Peace out. Love your mama, love your papa, brother-in-law, sisters, families, your uncles and your nephews and your little cousins and your, baby mama Tracy. All that stuff. Give them a hug, man. Life is short. Enjoy yourself. Do what you need to do. Peace out, America.